Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you an example from your homework today on ALEKS. Your homework is finding percents of a grid and shading grids. So the question that I'm going to be showing you guys is the one where it asks you to shade a certain amount, a certain percent of the figure. And in this example, we have 20 equal parts, and it's asking you, can you shade 80% of this figure? So 80% of this needs to be shaded. Well, if you have 20, how much is 80% of 20? And so what you're going to be doing is shading only 80% of it. So in order to figure that out, I'm going to be multiplying those two numbers together. And don't forget, we have a percent here. So we're going to move the percent into a decimal by moving it over 2 decimal places. And I'm going to go ahead and multiply that. I have 80 times 20, doesn't matter which way you do it. Don't forget that 80% needs to be changed into a decimal. Boom. So I have 20 times 0.80, and I'm going to rewrite it over here. I'm going to put the 0.80 at the bottom. And I'm going to drop that 0 because I don't need it. It's 8/10. When I go ahead and I multiply this, I get 160. Don't forget I have to move the decimal over in the answer. And I end up with 16. So to answer where it says shade 80% of the figure, and if there's 20 squares, then I must shade 16 of those squares. So you simply come back here, you press the tool for shading, and I'm going to shade in 16. Wish I can just drag this, but we have boom. Now we're going to go ahead and check it. And it's correct.